It is July 20th, 2013, and we are looking at what is possibly the world's oldest tree forest. This is a bristlecone pine. It looks dead, but it's not. It's alive. Thousands of years. Thousands. 3, maybe 4. And there's the world's cutest dog.